Hi guys, today we're gonna do a thunderstorm. There's raining, you see the thunderstorm, and it can't stop. So it can stop because it's so large and there's thunderstorm raining and all that. So and a lot of things fell from here, like that chair, the TCBY. If you don't know what TCBY is, like a place that there's ice cream. TCBY, there was a chair that fell. I can show you right now. Let's go ahead and go. Oopsie. Hi guys, I'm right here. Wait. It's right there. If y'all can see, camouflage. Alright. Right there. Look. Let's see if I could do it bigger. See? I'll see right now. Right there. So it fell, and that little trash can fall too. Right there. So me and my dad are here. That's my dad right there. It's still raining. He's saying, did the rain stopped? And I said no. Keep on going every minute. Actually, no. So this is Zuzu, and we're in Zuzu. So I'm so freaked out. That's my dad again. This is me. So I can't get out until morning, but morning's gonna be a little bit more rainy. But I don't know about no more. But it's still raining, and there's a lot of cars right there. And then why is there a chair in them? That's weird. That. How about I get it off? Okay, let's go in our. That's our car right here. Right, that one right there. That's our car. So I'm gonna put it in big form. So I don't know what happened, but this is happening. No smoking, you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and leave. Wait, get everything ready and then leave. And then I'll show you while we're over there, okay? Bye. So guys, this looks so yummy, but I'm not hungry that much. So that's my dad. Say hi to the camera. Okay. When he says say hi to the camera, he never says hi to you. He's like, I'm so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the flashlight before I can put the umbrella on. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this button, I guess. I don't know how this works, so I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'm sorry guys, I don't know how it works. Let's see, I guess like this. First time in forever, I did it. Yay, and it's so beautiful. See, and you press this button to and down, it looks like this. It's way bigger. So I'm gonna go show my dad. So beautiful. I'm gonna try it right now. So I'm just gonna close it right before we're ready. Well, let's see how it goes. It's creepy. I don't know how to do it. Oh, we're leaving. Okay, guys. So we're leaving. So we're gonna go ahead and. So guys, it's raining. I have my umbrella right here. If y'all can't see it, but I don't know how am I doing it by holding the camera and doing this. I guess I'm just gonna be. First me and then my dad. Well, I'll just give my dad a chance. So see ya in the rain. Bye guys. See ya next time. See ya in the rain. So this is all the rain. It's still going, but y'all can't see it. And my dad's riding the car. If you can't see him, he's right there. But I'll have my flash on. He's right there. And then. So we have that temperature, so it's good. So y'all can see Subway from here, and then TCBY cross it, and then TCBY right there. TCBY ice cream, yummy! Oh my god! So this is everything, and there's an IHOP near here, right there. But y'all can't see nothing because my flash is not on. And this is my dad's room, but you're gonna draw it. This is my dad's room. He doesn't like when people call him Basilia. So we're gonna go ahead and go across. So I will see y'all in a minute. Let's see how much time. And how about I'll see y'all in Hillside. No, not in Hillside. Where are we gonna go across? Dad, where are we gonna go to across? After Hillside, where are we going?
I don't know.
Hillside and then where?
Wilson.
So I'll meet you in Wilson, guys. Bye. Bye. Hi guys. This is Wilson right here. If y'all can't see, let me see if y'all can see. I'm trying for y'all to see, but this is Wilson. I passed it already, so this is the next car. We're so close. So I have to put all of it down. I can't even see a thing, guys. I could only see that. Yeah. That feels much better. At least if I could see something, that feels much better for me. So I could see right there. And if y'all think I'm driving, I'm not driving. My hand's right here, and my other hand's holding the camera. So my dad's actually driving. So I would see, but there's nothing right here. He has even the thing if y'all can see. But it is. So I could make y'all see. I'm just gonna put the flash on. It works. No, it can't work because near video time and near flash, no work. So I'll meet you in maybe our house, or I'm gonna end this video. I should end this video and then I should make other one maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to study, like, because I'm going to 4th grade in next year. Oh my god, I'm tired. So bye guys, see you next time before the flood comes in. The video could end. So bye guys, see ya next